Good evening. Breaking news just into TMJ4. The Wisconsin Supreme Court has temporarily suspended Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan. Dugan was arrested by FBI agents last week. She is accused of helping a man in her courtroom evade immigration authorities. The state's high court said Dugan will lose her judicial powers until justices take action to restore her to the bench.
That development coming as a sitting judge weighs in for the first time since Dugan was arrested.
We don't know exactly what the law is at this point. So this case may very well wind up deciding that law and what it's going to be.
Richard Ginkowski is the municipal judge in Pleasant Prairie and a former state prosecutor.
He sat down exclusively with Jenna Ray to break down why Dugan's arrest could set precedent.
I was stunned, but also as a legal nerd, interested in the facts and the law. This is uncharted territory.
Uncharted territory for veteran Judge Richard Ginkowski, who's been trying and presiding over cases for more than 40 years. He says Judge Hannah Dugan's arrest brings uncertainty littered with questions.
What was the judge's intent? What was the element of knowingly violating the law? And that is determined from all of the facts and circumstances, things that none of us really knows right now because they haven't come out in court.
Dugan is charged with obstructing or impeding a proceeding by a department or agency. Federal agents claim she helped divert the arrest of an illegal immigrant by helping him get out of the Milwaukee County courthouse.
Do you foresee federal agents continuing this cycle across the country? Is this opening the floodgates for more arrests to take place?
Well, that's a good question. And the answer to that really is that this has been going on for some time. For the last 6 or 7 years, this tension has been boiling.
Ginkowski says it's tension between state and federal laws because the statutes on whether federal agents can make arrests inside a courthouse are unclear.
One of the issues in the case in Milwaukee is apparently this warrant was an administrative warrant and not one signed by a judge. There's some question as to whether or not those warrants can be enforced within a courtroom.
Some states, like New York and California, say they can't. But there's no law like that in Wisconsin, which means no precedent. It's why Ginkowski says this could be settled in the highest of courts.
Could Judge Dugan's case, if it makes it to the Supreme Court, be the case law that sets the precedent moving forward for this?
Easily. This easily could be the case that winds up in front of the United States Supreme Court because it really illustrates the tension that exists here. The law in this case is not clear-cut.
In Pleasant Prairie, Jenna Ray, TMJ4 News.